Welcome to Is Coronaphobia? Read the statistics the right way.
Welcome to hashtag Is Coronaphobia with Dr. Priyanka Arora. Read the statistics the right way. So yesterday, DG of World Health Organization again came up with a scary statement. He said, the pandemic is getting worse day by day, and in the foreseeable future, it is impossible to return back to the old normal. So, he gives the clear indication that you have to accept the new world order. So, what he said that the pandemic is getting worse day by day. Is it really so? Except the increasing number of cases that we have hit up to the mark of 9 lakh confirmed cases, I don't see anything worse, and that is also not worse, because having the confirmed cases of 9 lakh 7,645 is not a big deal. Every year we see that the cases of in case of respiratory infections cross up to the mark of 4 crores, even between 5 and 4 crores. That's not a big deal, and moreover this time the testing is increased. Last month we were having around 1 lakh tests per day. Now this month we are having around 2.5 lakhs per day. And not only that, with the increased number of cases, the case fatality rate is dropping down. It has dipped down from the initial 3.5% to 2.6% as of today. And the recovery rate is going up. The case recovery rate has picked up from the initial 21.1% to 63% as of today. And out of the total outcome number of cases, the recovery rate is 96%, and the mortality rate out of the outcome cases is only 4%. Is it really going worse, as had been said by DG? The case fatality rate which you are visualizing today of 2.6% is actually not the infection fatality rate. Infection fatality rate will be much lower, even lower than the influenza. I've seen people saying that it has crossed 9 lakh marks. We need to lock down again. Day before yesterday also, DG of World Health Organization has said that the countries have to again the countries have to again go to total lockdown because case numbers are increasing. So what if the case number are increasing? Why don't you want us to get recovered? The disease is not that lethal. We have 130 crore of population. Some people even don't notice that they have been exposed to that. What does that mean? That they are already immune. The immune system know the virus. The immune system know the antigen. Therefore, the antigen antibody complex is formed, and therefore there is no replication of the virus inside, and they does not exhibit any symptoms. They does not experience any symptoms. There is nothing to worry about. Why so much hue and cry? Why so much of fear is being created? Is there any hidden agenda? A small gesture is enough for intelligence to understand. Let's come to the statistics directly. So we have an outcome of 5,95,839 cases, and of 5,95,839 cases we have 5,72,112 recovered cases, while 23,727 deaths so far in 6 months. Friends, do you know what the total number of deaths we have in 6 months because of this COVID-19, which is 23,727, is even lesser than the total number of deaths we have on an average daily in India. India has total death rate of 7.3%, and on an average around more than 26,000 person die daily in India. So now I'm going to tell you the case recovery rate and case fatality rate month-wise. On 23rd of April, case recovery rate was 21.7% and case fatality rate was 3.1%. 11th of May, case recovery rate picked up to 31.8% from 21.7%, which it was on 23rd of April, and case fatality rate is 3.2%. On 3rd of June, case recovery rate again picked up from the previous 31.8% to 47.9%, and case fatality rate dropped down from the previous 2.2%, which was on 11th May, to 2.8% on 3rd of June. Then now comes 4th of July. So on 4th of July, case recovery rate picked up a high of 60.7%, and on 3rd June it was 47.9%, and the case fatality rate is the same, 2.8%. And on 9th of July, case recovery rate picked up again to 62.3%, and previously 5 days before it was 60.7%, and case fatality rate again dropped down to 2.72%. On 11th July, case recovery rate picked up to 63% from the previously 2 days back it was 62.3%, and the case fatality rate again dropped down to 2.66%. And on 13th of July, yesterday, the case recovery rate as of today is 63%, and the case fatality rate is of 2.6%. 1,211,092 tests have been done so far, and out of that we have near about 9 lakh cases confirmed. So the rate of incidence of the cases is 8%. Means if we get 100 people tested, then 8 will come out to be positive. So it was let us calculate the rate of incidence of confirmed cases as of 20th May. On 20th of May, the total number of tests done was 26,15,920, and the total number of confirmed cases was 1,12,201, and the rate of incidence of confirmed cases was 4.2%. मतलब कि rate of incidence मतलब 100 टेस्ट कराते तो 4 लोग कम से कम पॉजिटिव आते. ये 20 मई को था रेट ऑफ इंसिडेंस, और आज के डेट में रेट ऑफ इंसिडेंस है कि 100 टेस्ट कराने में 8 पॉजिटिव आएगा. मतलब रेट ऑफ इंसिडेंस बढ़ा है, और ये क्या खुशी की बात नहीं कि रेट ऑफ इंसिडेंस बढ़ने के बाद भी केस फैटेलिटी रेट मतलब मृत्यु दर घटा है और रिकवरी रेट बढ़ा है. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि देयर इज़ समथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. जो सिर्फ बढ़ते हुए आंकड़ों को देख के हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि पैंडेमिक की हालत बद से बदतर होती जा रही है. व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज कॉमन कोल्ड इज़ क्वाइट कॉमन. सो आंकड़ों का बढ़ना भी क्वाइट कॉमन है. जितना ज़्यादा टेस्ट होगा उतना ज़्यादा आंकड़े बढ़ेंगे. डरने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि पैंडेमिक वर्स से वर्स होती जा रही है. नॉट एट ऑल ईदर. Some even not notice that they have been exposed to this virus. Little gesture is enough for an intelligent to understand why so much hue and cry, why so much fear, why WHO is creating fear, why media is creating fear, why public health authorities are creating fear. Is the pandemic really worse, or the fear is artificially created? A small gesture is enough for an intelligent to understand.